Hi, I'm Jolene Fisher with No Bad Days Health Coaching, and I want to show you guys how I make my protein coffee and also how I make just my coffee every day. And so I love to use this little French press. It limits my coffee because I used to be addicted to a whole pot of coffee a day, and now I just do the 1 cup in the morning with a scoop of protein in it, and it's kind of part of my breakfast, really. 18 grams of protein in my coffee, you know, pretty good deal. So I like to just make sure my coffee is ground to a French press ground, and I do 1.5 scoops. And then I just add the hot water. It takes about 1.5 minutes once your water is in there to really let those grounds blossom. I stir it around just to help it out a little bit more. After about 1.5 minutes, you're ready to press it down. French press makes your coffee a little bit stronger, so that 1 cup that I get really does perk me up. I pour it in first, grab my scoop of protein, put that in second, add my favorite stevia coconut flavor. The Sweetleaf stevia is awesome. No bitter aftertaste. 1 pump. And then I use this really awesome little whisk, and I just whisk it away. The longer your whisk is in there, the more frothier it'll be. And now I'm ready to enjoy my morning cup of joe. If you'd like to hear more about my tips and tricks, you can go to my website at nobaddays.biz for healthy, fun, and convenient nutrition tips. Thank you.